Are you jobless or looking for a side hustle that actually pays? What if I told you that your smartphone and your words could earn you real money right from Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana? Stay with me, your financial breakthrough might just be one article away. White heavy checkmark 1. Opera News Hub. This is one of the most popular platforms in Africa. Writers get paid for posting news, gossip, entertainment, or even opinions. Money with wings: how you earn, through clicks, impressions, likes, and shares. Money bag bonuses are given during special periods. Calendar payment is monthly via OPI or bank transfer. Backhand index pointing right: how to join. Check the video description, link available there. White heavy checkmark 2. Scooper News, Scooper app. Owned by the makers of Techno and Infinix, Scooper pays based on how many people read your articles. Chart increasing: the more views and engagement, the more money you make. Credit card payment is through your local bank. Pushpin to sign up and start earning, the link is in the description. White heavy checkmark 3. Pulse Contributor Program. Pulse is a major media brand in Africa with a strong contributor base. Money with wings: writers get paid for every approved article. Regular writers may also get monthly deals. White heavy checkmark 1 to contribute to Pulse Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana. All sign-up info is in the video description. White heavy checkmark 4. Medium Partner Program. This global platform pays you based on how long paying members read your work. Round Pushpin Nigeria, South Africa, and Kenya are eligible. Writing: hand write deep, original content to earn. Pushpin: all you need to join is in the description. White heavy checkmark 5. Steemit and Hive. Earn crypto for writing. These are blockchain-based platforms where likes turn into money. Money bag: get paid in STEM or Hive tokens. Counterclockwise arrows button: you can convert these into your local currency. Backhand index pointing right: sign-up links are available in the video description. White heavy checkmark 6. Neraland, for traffic. You don't earn directly from Neraland, but it's perfect to drive traffic to your blog, YouTube, or affiliate links. Think of it as your free billboard to reach millions. White heavy checkmark 7. Substack. This one is perfect for starting your own newsletter or blog. Dollar banknote: you can earn through paid subscribers. Receipt: you keep 90% of the revenue. Pushpin: want to create yours today? Link is in the video description. White heavy checkmark 8. NewsBreak app, mostly for US. Although based in the US, some Africans are using third-party agencies to get in. Money with wings: payment is based on views. Passport control: you'll need a US tax ID or work with an agency. Link: all details available in the description below. Ending line: motivation plus CTA. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start earning from your creativity, this is it. Stop scrolling and start writing. Pushpin pinned comment, CTA collision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Speech balloon: tell us in the comments, which of these platforms will you try first? Backhand index pointing down: all the sign-up links and resources mentioned in this video are in the description below. Start today and secure your financial freedom.